everyone, this is Angie at Stampingwithamore. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. So today I have a super quick and easy treat holder. It's a little treat pouch. You don't even have to put the little handle on it. I thought this would be cute for like hanging on a tree or a stocking stuffer. And we are going to do it a little bit different this time, because I thought after I did it that I would want to add the designer series paper under here. So we're going to do it a little bit different, but this is the little treat holder that we're sharing. And it's super quick and easy if you are using the Celebration label dies, which are these here. But if you have any similar to this, you can use the same one. This is just for a really quick and easy like stocking stuffer or something like that. You can even make a little teeny tiny one. It just depends what you want to do. But this one, I saw the little candies I actually got these at the home goods store, and it's this big thing here, and I think it was like $3.99 or $4.99 for this. But it has all different kinds of candies. Don't put the jellies in there because they're too thick. I originally put them in this one and it just stuck up way too far. So try to use some little candy corn or just a smaller type flat candy. You can even put Ghirardellis in these. They're really, really quick and easy. So this is what I'm sharing today. I thought it was really quick and easy and cute. So today we are going to use, like I said, the Celebration dies. I'm using these 3x9 printed gusset cellophane bags. These are Stampin' Up. If you have any kind of cellophane bag, you can use that. I love the little pattern on here. They're almost like little snowflakes on here. And we used to carry another 3x9. I'm not sure if we do. I haven't looked in a while. I don't think we, or 3x6 maybe. So just use what you have. These are really cute for the holidays though. And we are actually going to cut this down to 4 1/4. So I'm just going to cut it with my scissors really quick to 4 1/4, just so it fits in there. 4 1/2, somewhere around there. So we're going to just cut that so we can fill it with our goodies. All right, so that's for the bag. You're also going to need a piece that is 6 by 5 1/2, and that's to cut out the larger die right here. And then you need 2 pieces, since I'm going to map both inside and out, but you don't have to. And these are both 5 by 4, like I didn't on this one, and it's still really cute with the real red on the back and just the print on the top. But because I covered most of that, I decided I really wanted to show more here. So you're going to need 2 for that. And I'm using the Little Treats bundle for this. So I'm using this one again. If you saw my spinner cards, I used this for the spinner cards. And I used the hat on this one, but I think I might try a different one. I might use a little treat for someone sweet. I used the Ho Ho Merry Christmas. So I might use a little treat for someone sweet, and then I may use this little candy image right here. We'll see as we go along. All right, so the first thing that we need to do is run these through the cut and emboss. So let's go ahead and grab that. And let's cut the big one out first. And then I will cut the 2 smaller ones out. And I'll go ahead and speed through this part because you don't have to watch me run these all through the cut and emboss. Okay, so we have both of those pieces cut and our larger piece right here. So we're just going to adhere these. We may have to bring the cut and emboss back. But you can use, this is Pear Pizzazz, by the way, and the designer series paper I'm using is, you've seen it a million times, Heartwarming Hugs. It's this one right here. I used this pattern earlier. Now I'm using the stripes only because I had pieces cut. Now on this piece, I'm setting this up further towards the top here because this is going to be the back, so it's not going to matter that much. And I wanted more to show on the top here. And then we're going to go ahead in this side. We're going to put it lower on this side because this is going to fold over on the top. And just line up your little circles here down at the bottom. Oops. And then I'm going to bring up the scoring tool. And we are going to score at the top, and you're going to score it at 1.5. Oops. And this is going to fold over. It's hard to fold over because there's 4 layers now of paper. Well, 3 layers actually. So I'm going to use my bone folder here to flatten that out. And then we're going to take our candy, we're going to fill our little bag, and I'll show you how. I'm going to just dump them in there, and then I will, whatever falls in there, I'm going to take the jellies out because they're just too thick. And so you want it to just lay flat like that. And let me scoot these out of the way. I'm going to grab a piece of tape here, regular tape, and we're going to fold this over and seal it. Like that. I'm going to use my Stampin' Seal here, and I'm going to put it on the inside. This holds it really well, by the way. And then we'll put our bag in here. And we are going to cut some of our real red trim. This is the, what are they calling it? The braided linen trim. And I used about 15 inches on this, but you probably don't need that much. I'm just going to tie a knot. And you want the knot to be underneath the top part. I'm just going to tie a knot here, tie it really tight. These stay really well. I'm going to trim these. And I'm just placing it under here like that. And then we're going to add some more Stampin' Seal on the top here. You can use the plus too. For this part, it'd probably be easier to use the plus. I'm just out of the plus right now. And then you're just going to fold that over. So how cute is that? It's like a little purse. And then let's go ahead and stamp. I need to get my Whisper White here. And let's go ahead. I'm going to use the Pear Pizzazz to match. I'm going to do the candies this time. So we're going to do the candy. I may have to re-ink this one. And then I'm going to use the Memento Black for the sentiment. I like the sentiment better in the black. And then let's see what we can use to cut these out because I switched it up. So we can cut this out with the circle. Let's do that one that way, or we can use this. Let's see if that'll fit. Yeah, that'll fit, and then we'll use this little circle for that. Kind of just playing it by ear right here. See how this is gonna look. This may be a little bit big, but let's bring the Big Shot back and do that. Not the Big Shot. I keep calling it the Big Shot. It's the Cut and Emboss. I love this Cut and Emboss. We'll see if this is going to be too big with the candy on it. We may switch it up. All right. So cute. I love the little circle. I love the little dies that come in here, these little. All right, so let's decorate this. So let's put that on there, and then we can set that on the top. It's a little bit big, I think. I like the little hat better on there. But, let's go ahead and stamp a little hat and run that through. I think the hat's really cute. And I'm going to do that again, and I'm going to do this one in Pear Pizzazz too. Or should I do real red? Let's do a real red one. I think it'll be more bright since we did the base of this in Pear Pizzazz. See how I go through? This is just a process that I go through. So you're just going through it with me today. All right, let's scoot this out of the way, run that through, and we will be done. Because I think the Santa hat's going to look cuter. You can even do the present. The present's really cute too. We're going to use this Santa hat. It's so cute. All right, let's bring it back in. Let's add some Stampin' Seal to the back. We'll set this here. And then I'm going to pop this up with a dimensional. Right at the side there. Aw, that's cute. All right, so there you have it. You can do it one of two ways. You can mat the inside or you can leave it unmat. Which one do you like better? Leave it in the comments. All right, everyone, I hope you enjoyed it. If you need any supplies, you know you can shop on my blog at stampingwithamore.com. The hostess code is up on my blog. If you use it, you get into a drawing each month for hostess dollars. So I will catch you in the next one. Have a blessed one, everyone. See you later. Bye.